Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to install TVMate and set up your IPTV service so you can start enjoying all your favorite channels in just a few minutes. First, let's install the app. On your Android TV or Fire Stick, you can open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TVMate. Once it's show up, select it and press install. Wait for the download to be complete and the app will be added to your device. Now, let's set up your IPTV service. Open TVMate and you'll see the welcome screen. Choose Add Playlist. You'll be asked for your login detail. Depending on the service, you'll either enter a playlist URL or your Extreme Code API. Don't worry, I'll provide you with all the correct details for your subscription. And that's it. In just few minutes, you've got TVMate installed and your IPTV service fully set up. Now, you are ready to enjoy hundreds of live channels and movies and series right from your TV. If you need any help, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to guide you through the setup or provide the correct login details for your subscription. Thank you.